Item adjustments. You may adjust your system item quantities to match with your physical item quantities after stock verifications. You may adjust your item quantities or average cost due to damage or lost your items, supply price changes, sales or promotional discounts, or due to data entry errors. You can access these functions from Items, Transactions, Item Adjustments. There are two methods you can adjust your items. First method is quantity on hand or average cost. Second method, quantity on hand and or average cost using a quick entry grid. We will check first method. Select first method and click next button. From this screen, you can select the item you want to adjust. After you select the item, system will display current average cost and current quantity on hand. If you want to change the cost, you can change. If you want to change the quantity, you can change the quantity. Select adjustment date. After you enter changes, you need to enter reason why you are changing item quantities or average cost. You can enter reason. After that, you can click next and finish the item adjustment. We'll discuss second method, quantity on hand and or average cost using a quick entry grid. Select the method, click next. If you select quick entry grid, you can adjust your average cost or quantity on hand more than one item at once. In previous method, quantity on hand and or average cost method, we can select only one item at once. However, if you select second option, quantity on hand and or average cost using a quick entry grid, you can adjust more than one item at once. Select adjustment date. Select items. After you select items, system will display last cost, average cost, and quantity on hand. You can adjust average cost and quantity on hand. And if you want to add more items, you can adjust more items selecting the item. Furthermore, by clicking Load All, you can load all items in your inventory and you can adjust average cost or quantity on hand. If you want to clear all, you can clear all and you can load all. In addition to that, if you want to import adjustment, by clicking import button, you can import adjustments. You can download CSV file by clicking how to upload CSV file. You can download an example. You can enter your item code, average cost, and quantity on hand, and you can import this Excel sheet to your system. By clicking choose file, you can select the file and you can import to the system. By clicking green color button, you can add items, and by clicking red color button, you can delete line items. After you enter the adjustment, you can save the item adjustment.